Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or disallow iPhone to discover and automatically connect to nearby AirPlay TVs on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on General, then tap on AirPlay and hand off. Next, you want to tap on Automatically AirPlay to TVs. Now, by default, it is already set to automatic. If you want to switch it off, then you choose Never, or you could ask the phone to ask you before proceed with the connection, or you can choose automatic. And that's it. So that's how you can allow or disallow it. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.